The Shinco 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is a testament to modern cooling technology, offering exceptional performance and versatility to meet the diverse needs of users. With its powerful cooling capacity, innovative 3-in-1 functionality, and user-friendly design, this portable air conditioner stands out as an ideal solution for maintaining comfort in small to medium-sized spaces. From its effortless installation process to its convenient remote control operation, this portable air conditioner sets a new standard for efficiency and ease of use. In this review, we delve into the features and specifications of this remarkable appliance, exploring how it elevates the cooling experience for consumers seeking reliable and adaptable climate control solutions. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Outstanding cooling ability. This air conditioner boasts impressive cooling capabilities, with a cooling capacity of 12,000 BTU, ASHRAE 7,800 BTU SACC, making it suitable for small to medium-sized spaces up to 400 square feet. This ensures a comfortable and refreshing environment even during scorching summer days. The adjustable temperature range from 60 degrees to 86 degrees allows for personalized cooling experiences tailored to individual preferences. Number 2. 3-in-1 functionality. This portable air conditioner offers versatile functionality with its 3-in-1 design, allowing users to switch between cooling, fan, and dry modes as per their requirements. The dehumidification capacity of up to 43.2 liters per day, without the need for a bucket due to self-evaporating operation, adds to its utility. Additionally, the choice of 3 fan speeds further enhances comfort levels. Number 3. Quick installation. Installation of this portable air conditioner is hassle-free, facilitated by the included exhaust hose and window sealing kit. No additional tools are required for assembly. The sealing kit fits onto sliding windows, and connection to the machine is established using the 59 inches telescopic hose, allowing hot air to be efficiently exhausted during operation. Number 4. Ease of use. Featuring a compact size and 4 casters, this air conditioner can be effortlessly moved from room to room as needed. The LED display and remote control, with a maximum range of 23 feet, enable convenient adjustment of settings from a distance. Furthermore, the swing function and 24-hour timer offer added convenience, allowing users to schedule operations according to their preferences. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 13.39 inches depth by 17.44 inches width by 32.68 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Shinco 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner emerges as a superior choice for those seeking efficient and convenient cooling solutions. Its exceptional cooling ability, versatile 3-in-1 functionality, and easy installation make it a standout option for enhancing comfort in any environment. Whether you're battling the sweltering heat of summer or seeking to maintain an optimal climate year-round, this portable air conditioner delivers on all fronts. With its compact design, intuitive controls, and reliable performance, this portable air conditioner exemplifies innovation and reliability in the realm of home climate control. Embrace the comfort and convenience it offers, and enjoy a refreshing environment tailored to your preferences with this portable air conditioner. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.